Hi, it's Lindsay from Buy, Sell, Love Durham. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of my Tuesday morning market update. It's my opportunity weekly to share with all of Durham Region exactly what's happening with real estate. And there's a lot happening. We truly are in the spring market right now. But you know what's really interesting is I'm standing in front of the Oshawa Centre, and I just heard a couple things. There's a few shops that are closing, but one of them is McDonald's is closing in the Oshawa Shopping Centre. I don't know if that's a sign of the times or not, but it's very interesting to see certain segments of our economy that are booming, like real estate right now, and other businesses that are struggling. I mean, if McDonald's was making money there, they certainly wouldn't be pulling out because they've been there for like basically forever. Anyways, before I jump into the numbers, when I talk about the economy and real estate booming, to give you a bit of a sense. So, Oshawa took off first of the year like crazy. Values were up, activity was up. Clarington was a little bit of a sleeper area, not much happened in January, and then we're starting to see stuff happen now. But Whitby's interesting. So Whitby, in the last week, 68% of all properties that sold in Whitby sold for full price or over asking price. In fact, of the houses that sold, 25% of them sold for over $1 million. What the interesting thing about that is this: the average sales price hasn't moved at all in Whitby. So when properties of higher value start to sell like that, and especially in multiple offers, you will see the values naturally just spike upwards. So if you're thinking of buying in Whitby, I would suggest get out there and buy now, because I would suspect in the next 30 days, you're going to see massive price increases. So let's just jump straight into the numbers. Last 7 days, we've had 175 homes come to market that's newly listed for sale. That's down 15 from the week before. Usually this time of year, the activity of new home sale or listings that are hitting the market go up dramatically, but they've gone down, which is really interesting. Conditionally sold, we've had 64 homes leave the market sold conditionally. We've had 100 properties leave the market sold firm, which means we've had 164 total sales, and we had 168 the week before. So interesting. We're down in listings, 15 week over week. We're down sales 4 week over week, and Whitby's booming. So it's really a very interesting time. The spring market started earlier. Really, for Oshawa, it started probably, I would guess, the third week in January, and it's rocking there right now. If you got any questions, I can be reached at 905 area code 743-5555, or you can catch me at the email address on the screen. Have a great week, all of Durham Region.